Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make passive online income with no money, and you could even make $1,000 per month doing this from home. So let's get started right now. So before I show you the method, I just want to let you know that this is just one of a few methods that you can earn passive online income on the internet. But if you want to do it my way, the way I've been doing it, you can check out the link that is on the top corner here on my YouTube channel. Since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point that out. And it's what I've been doing since 2016, okay? And if you want to check out what the business model is, you could just view this video right here on my front channel on my homepage of my YouTube channel, okay? So in today's method, how you can build passive online income, meaning you can earn over and over again from this one-time work that you put in. So this is the platform I want to show you, and there's going to be two ways to earn on this platform, okay? So I'm going to go over the first way, and then I'm going to show you the second way. This is Udemy.com, and you can build your own courses on here and sell it to anybody that goes on this platform. So an advantage of using Udemy is because this is a marketplace already, meaning this is a known place for people to come and buy courses to learn. So this is already a marketplace where you can get organic traffic to your course, and many people are doing it here. So if you take a look at the categories of courses that you can make on here, is incredible. It's any knowledge that you have that you feel can package into a digital, basically just a few videos or some spreadsheets or something, either Google Sheets or Google Docs. You could use all these online free tools to make your course, and you could literally just use your phone to record the videos. And so this is how you could build your course for free. And most people already have a laptop, so you can even use the camera that's on your laptop or a webcam if you already have a webcam. So these are tools that people already have around them. So you don't have to spend money to build a course, especially on a platform like Udemy.com. So Udemy is free to join, and you only pay fees when you sell the courses, okay? This entire platform needs creators and course owners like yourself to be selling on here, or else they won't have any content, right, to have any courses to sell to anybody. So this is why it's free to sign up, and you only pay a small fee if you sell your courses. So let's take a look at some of the categories that are on here. Don't feel that you don't know anything, because everybody who is an adult should be able to teach somebody something, okay? There's many different topics. Even lifestyle is many topics that you can pick from. Drawing, sketching, I mean, so many things. Food and beverage. There's so many things here, so many topics. Gaming, you could teach people how to play games, okay? You could teach people how to play games, and you can make money doing a course like that if you know how to do games. So there are literally so many things that you can do on here. And you can be 13 plus to be selling on here, selling courses on here. If you can make your course so that people can learn from you, then it doesn't matter what age you are, you know, because like if you are literally wanting to sell a course on gaming, you can definitely do that, okay? You can look at the gaming here and see what you can put together and sell to other teenagers or other people who are interested in gaming, okay? So there is definitely no age limit in the sense that if you're 13 and up, you can put a course on here and sell. So let's look at some of the courses that are in here. So like this one is a dog training course. You can see that this person has already sold 16,000 courses of this course to that many students. And so if you calculate 16 times 16,000, that is about 256,000 in sales. Now, of course, this is not going to be everything that the course owner gets, because he'll only get a percentage. So I'm going to talk about how much you will get as a course owner and a course creator, but I just want to let you see all the different types of courses that are out here. So there's one on travel writing. There's so many different types of travel courses that are available here as well. How to stop binging. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. How to stop binging. There is a course on how to stop binging. I mean, if that's this is what I mean about so many different types of courses that you can put on here and people are gonna buy. Look at this. There's still 1,400 people buying this at $100 per pop. So the courses here aren't limited to all the low prices you see on the front page. It's definitely not, okay? So as you can see, you are not going to also just put one course up. If you put one course up, that means you can put more courses up. So the more courses you can put up, the more you can earn, right? So if you could put up a course that has a higher amount that you can sell at, it would be even better for you, right? And you can see it like in this course. So if you don't have an idea of how to even put together a course, all you gotta do is study other people's courses, and you could just, you know, do the same thing. I mean, you're not going to copy every single one of their content. I'm not telling you to copy the course. I'm just telling you to copy or, you know, get some inspiration on the outline that they're using and what kind of topics they're talking about. If you're interested in making one of these, what is this, natural beauty type course, you can kind of follow what this person is doing. And she's selling, or yeah, she's selling pretty well on here. She's got 3,000 students, you know, and she just last updated last November. So in this screen here, I want to show you how much you can earn. So if you're able to sell the course yourself, meaning through your own coupon or own link that you give out to other people, then you get 97% of the revenue, basically everything, right? And they're just going to charge you like a processing fee, 3% or 4% in Japan. So this platform is obviously worldwide, as you can see, but I'm not sure which countries are, if there's any restricted countries, okay? But it is worldwide, as you can see right there. So obviously, if you sell it yourself, that is going to be the biggest profit that you can earn. So if you allow just the marketplace to see if they can sell for you, then you only earn 50%. It's definitely more advantageous when you sell it yourself because you want to see, you want to get people who you kind of know or who you're marketing to. If people see you marketing it and they get to know you, you'll likely get a higher rating for your course as well if they review it. And then another trick that people do is give out coupons to give away the course for free in exchange for a free review, you know. So you could kind of make your course have some kind of review in the beginning by just giving it out with a free coupon, basically, to give out your course for a few people so that they could give you some good ratings to start with. So the other channel that your course can be sold on is through affiliates. So they all and advertising. So Udemy advertises their own platform, and then they also use affiliates to sell the courses. So if you're an instructor, you only earn 25% if your course is sold through these other channels, okay? So really, there is that second opportunity to earn from Udemy. If you don't want to create your own course, you could just become an affiliate for Udemy. So this is affiliate marketing, something that I do, and I actually am an affiliate of Udemy, and I've earned from the program before. But lately, their program now, their commission rate is only 15%. So it's gotten lower from when I started using them. So it's just not as lucrative as before. 15% though is still higher than a lot of physical products that you can be promoting. So physical products are usually below 5%. So this is still at 15%, which is still decent when you don't even do anything and you're just driving traffic to Udemy, right? So that is another way to earn from Udemy. And if you're really interested in the affiliate marketing side of things and not wanting to create your own course, then it's best to use a training like this platform. It's the same training that I've used myself for my website, workanywherenow.com. This is the training that I use to build my website, and this website has made me a super affiliate with their training. So this platform is free to start, but you've got to know that you need the premium membership to get all the training. Okay, so the free membership is for you to kind of check out, get a free website to start with. You can check out the lessons to see if you like it. And then if you want to further, then you upgrade to premium. And when you upgrade to premium, you get me as your free coach on the platform. If you use my link, of course, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, you will get all my bonuses if you sign up with me, and I will show you all the bonuses on your profile when you set up your free account. So of course, if you're going to learn affiliate marketing, it's another way for you to earn passive online income. And this is something that I am very passionate about, what I do online. And so this is something that you may want to check out, and something that I've been earning a full-time online income from. Of course, my income disclaimer is that my results are not typical and your results may vary, and my full income disclaimer is in the video description. Okay, so I hope you would check this out and see if you could either create a course or just be an affiliate of Udemy or other products. Many products that you can do with affiliate marketing, but of course then you need to properly get trained to be an affiliate marketer. And I wish that you would try the training that I've tried, which is Wealthy Affiliate, using my link workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, and then I will be there to help you with your online journey, and hopefully you will find the same success that I have. And I wish you all the luck. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay? So I hope you have a great day, guys, and make big money. Okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye.